Hello everyone. So abhi just I don't know, I just thought of making a vlog because I should. I think I'll be re-recording keys because I feel like changing them. They should be matching with the guitar. And of course some places it's crashing. I thought कि हाँ ठीक है कैसे भी करके उसको ठीक कर सकते हैं, but now I feel like even if वो हो जाएगा I don't want to do that. So I'm changing some foundational chords of Ajnabi keys ka. So yep, it's been like what 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks since I've been working in Logic Pro. I had no idea how it works, how it worked, and I think it's a nice thing. I don't know what to say honestly speaking, but I'm a bit scared because I have no idea how all these softwares work or something like that. I've done some basic work, but ठीक है. I mean, everybody starts somewhere, so I have started somewhere. I've learned a lot since, like in those weeks mein I've learned a lot. Hi, I wasted a lot of time for this vlog. It's been 2 hours. I'm not able to make it nicely, but anyways, I hope this one works. Hi, I'm Harshia, and as we know, Ajnabi Bibi ko आए 2 महीने हो चुके हैं, and there's a lot to talk about. Both of my bandmates respectively will talk about their own journey, their own musicality with Ajnabi in their own vivid vlogs. This vivid vlog particularly will be about the production, the musical arrangement breakdown, the journey, because I have some video diaries which I recorded while I was working on Ajnabi, and uski bhi tiny bits honge is vivid vlog mein. So let's not waste time and get started. About guitars, I think Asmi will be able to talk about it more nicely. Much more knowledgeable information will be given by her in her own vlog regarding guitars because she knows the game. Because it's the starting of the song, so we needed them to be very ambient. So I used chorus. Thanks to all those YouTube people. Thank you very much. The day their guitars was like sounding good, बहुत चैन की सांस ली गई थी. So this bass riff which I'm about to play, its idea was given by Kanika, and oh my god, this just goes so, even though it is a very minimal part of the instrumental, but it goes so well. सारा जहां वो जो बेनाम सा है कहाँ. I still need to practice my lower range vocals ka, so this is not a cheat code, but I think using harmonies made this part much more nicer. So yeah. I have so many. Okay, so me and Kanika, we used to. Okay, we'll talk about it later. This is about production. So right now it's 1:27, 25th June, Wednesday, and I am working on drums. मैं ड्रम्स पे काम कर रही हूँ. ड्रम्स पे काम करना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वाई? बिकॉज तुम्हें अपना मनपसंद साउंड नहीं मिलता है उस चीज़ का. फॉर विच मी एंड कनिका आर मीटिंग टुमारो, सो विल सी दैट. बाकी मैंने अपना काम तो कर दिया. नाउ आई ऑल्सो गेट टू नो कि आई एम सो बैड एट यूट्यूब सर्चिंग. Okay, so the song जिसका वाइब मुझे ग्रास्प करके वैसा मिक्सिंग मास्टरिंग करना है अजनबी का, जैसा सुन रहा है ना तू का है, बिकॉज दैट्स द सॉन्ग विच आई टेक एज अ रेफरेंस फॉर वर्किंग ऑन इट. Not as a reference, you know what I'm trying to say, the kind of vibe I need. And so now there's a lot of musicality going on in the pre-chorus, but I think I will talk about pre-chorus and pre-chorus too, because वहाँ पे और instruments है, so I will be able to talk much more nicely there. Now we'll listen to pre-chorus 1 a cappella. अजनबी अजनबी पुकारे, धड़कन मेरी चल रही, जिंदगी गुमशुदा. अजनबी अजनबी तू कहाँ, मैं वही, फिर वही धुन सुनाई. तू कहाँ, मैं वही. I really like this harmony. So this Asmina accidentally बोला था, and oh my god, I wanted to use it so bad, so I used it. So यहाँ पे Kanika gave an idea that we should extend the instrumental before verse 2, and that was a masterpiece idea. So here is a breakdown of this instrumental. So this particular riff in the extended instrumental जो verse 2 से पहले आता है, it was taken from the chorus instrumental itself, and I really like this particular riff. Like काफी कुछ हो रहा है after verse 2, even after, like we can say, the interlude. There's a lot. मैं भी भूल चुकी हूँ. I should have made more video diaries. Mainly talking about this area, just मुश्किलों से थी जंग मेरी, खटखटाई जो चौखट मेरी, खामोशी भी लगने लगी अपनी सी. So the story with bridge is that the whole song is on 75 BPM and the bridge is on 115. तो प्री कोरस के बाद वो एक आगाज़ जंप जो कनिका बोलती है, उसके बाद 115 पे टेम्पो चेंज होना है एंड एवरीथिंग इज स्मूथली गोइंग एंड उसके साथ ना ओरिजिनली देयर वाज गिटार but for some reason we had to eradicate guitar, so there was a lot of discussion regarding bridge. We will talk about it, but so many discussions, oh my god. Oh god, I came to hate the bridge, and no, not because ke oh my god it's bad, it's beautiful, but मैंने इतनी बार सुना है ब्रिज को, इतनी बार that I just anyways. With the vocals of bridge, particularly with Kanika's voice, I really wanted, like, everybody's seen Harry Potter, right? The Goblet of Fire. तो जब like Harry is in that bathtub and वो bathtub में वो अंडा खोलता है, whatever that is, the dragon egg, golden dragon egg जो भी है, तो वो जो पानी के अंदर एक सायरन वॉइस होती है, I really wanted कि वो इफेक्ट आए हमारे ब्रिज के वोकल्स में, you know, that underwater siren effect. I tried to give. I hope I did justice. So yeah. So many harmonies, so many ad-libs, so many, इतना traffic jam, not traffic jam, music jam हो रहा है last chorus में, and I think one of my favorite parts in the whole song is the last chorus. Yeah, one of my favorite parts. I have so many favorite parts, specifically instrumentally, so oh my god, yeah. Okay, now let's open drums. आज के लिए I added the new chords, new keys, put everything अच्छे से. Now tomorrow I have to do is first chorus की chords को sync में लाना है, because I don't know why they're not. Melodies जो भी कनिका ने भेजी और जो मेरे आइडियाज़ है वो सारे put up करके I have to, tomorrow I'll do that. Day after tomorrow the plan is to mix all of that अच्छे से, and hopefully Kanika sends her vocals, and then we'll see how are we going with drums. So log 57 or something, because this is the first log I'm making. इससे पहले काफ़ी लोग बन चुके होने चाहिए, बट या ends here tonight, 5 June 1:38 पे, signing off. Too much हो गया ये, bye.